Really just wanted to stack up. On days where I'm trying to keep things pretty easy and just simple with dinner, I want to spend some time just getting stuff done. Good morning, friends. Today I am on a mission to get my life together. We got back from Greece a few days ago and I've basically just been hibernating, recovering from jet lag. I've unpacked, done some laundry, but not folded it, and not much else. I was exhausted, but finally feeling a lot better today. So I want to spend some time just getting stuff done. Need to go grocery shopping, want to wash our sheets, do some cleaning and tidying, as well as need to catch up on some computer work, look at my calendar, just figure out what we have going on this month. I was basically planning everything up until we left for Greece and then nothing after we got back, and a bunch of other stuff too. I'll put on the screen here the complete list. Figured we could spend a day together just getting productive. So if you have this on as you're plugging away at your to-do list, I work on mine. It's gonna be a good day of just getting my life, my home in order. That's more like it. Like having some easy snacks and meals on hand that I can feed Oliver or have myself really. So I want to make some muffins. I'm really into this protein lemon blueberry muffin recipe that I concocted lately. So going to make that. I'll share the recipe on the screen that you can replicate if you want. I like to use the Kodiak protein pancake mix as kind of a base for the muffins and then just layer some extra ingredients on top. Wet ingredients first. I like to combine the sugar and lemon zest together. Really makes it just so fragrant. I love a lemon blueberry muffin where the lemon just punches through. There you go. Okay. So now we'll let those bake for 17, 18 minutes, and while we do, let's clean up. Well, I was gonna do a whole taste test with you, but then Oliver and I got distracted eating these. I'm already halfway through, but they're really good. Some more?
Sitting on the changing table and saw a neighbor walk by with their dog and started waving from the changing table.
Okay, let's put on a load of dishes. I recently switched over to Blueland dishwasher detergent tablets and love them. A big thank you to Blueland for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. I've really shifted my approach when it comes to cleaning products, especially in the last couple of years. Now that I have Oliver, I'm a lot more conscious of what goes into the products that I use, because I know that whatever I use to clean is going to end up on my kids' skin or in their mouth. That's why I love Blueland. Their products are made to meet the highest environmental and parental standards. Their products aren't just clean, they're mom clean. They're 100% plastic free and made with certified clean ingredients that are safe to use around everyone in the family. But here's the thing, and what I especially love about them is that they really work. So I don't feel like I have to choose between the safe, clean option for my family and what's actually going to clean my house. I've been using Blueland's cleaners for going on 3 or 4 years now. Recently started using their dishwasher detergent tablets, their toilet bowl cleaner. Love the refillable tin. Blueland is sharing a special offer just for my viewers. All you need to do is click on the link below to get 15% off your first kit. So check them out. I'm a longtime fan. But let's clean these now and I'll show you what they look like when they finish. Okay, plants are all water. So happy that they all survived the trip. Actually, look at how pretty these ones look. Right now, just want to sit outside, get a bit of computer work done while Oliver naps. I feel like when I do computer work, it never really looks all that productive, but I just knocked out close to 100 emails there. Nothing quite says welcome home like some clean sheets, am I right? I'm gonna wash ours and some whites that we have. Also, I think we've decided to upgrade to a king bed frame in the near future here. So if you have any good recommendations for where you can find a good king bed frame, I think we want new pillows too. If you have any recommendations, let me know. Totally forgot, I have a bunch of laundry in here waiting to get folded. I think I'm gonna wash this and then we can just do it all at once. Adding in a couple extra whites that have been waiting to be done too. We're running low on a lot of groceries, specifically food for lunches and dinners. So just pulled into Trader Joe's, want to do some grocery shopping and just to generally restock our pantry. Okay, got our groceries and also stopped at Green Brothers Juice Company to pick up a smoothie for Oliver and I to share. It's a bit past lunch right now, so wanted to get us a little something to tide us over. Oliver's had basically, what, like a third of it, maybe a little bit more than that. Then I'm gonna have the other half. This is an A, B, and J, so I think it has like strawberry, banana, there's protein in here, almond butter. It's really tasty, so I'm just going to have this as we drive home, and then when we get back, I'll show you all the groceries that I picked up. Okay, let's do a little grocery haul. Can't go to Trader Joe's without coming home with flowers, especially during peony season. These are just opening up right now, but they're gonna be so pretty in a couple of days. Also got some chamomile flowers. They're another of my favorites. Then food, got some sourdough bread, pita bite crackers. These are a favorite. We were running low on balsamic vinegar, almond butter. Also picked up some red wine. I am a sucker for a good graphic. One bag. We're a brown eggs family. Got some dairy dairy-free boursin. Stuff's great. Some brie. Going to be doing some charcuterie for a girls' night later this week, so pick some stuff up for that. Prosciutto, salami, capicoli mix, turkey, ham. I've been really into sandwiches lately. Got some raspberries. These just looked so good. Let's try. They're like so plump and juicy looking. Oh. There are a few things that I love more than just like a perfectly ripe raspberry. These are some good ones. I got some sausage, salmon, having those for dinner this week. Love this honey Greek yogurt. Ooh, this is another snacky thing I thought we could have on our girls' night. It's chocolatey drizzled strawberry kettle corn. This with a good movie or show sounds like such a treat. Got some asparagus. Look at how tiny these little tomatoes are. Like a little snack pack. Roasted seaweed snacks. Oh, I got the teriyaki ones. I hope they're good. Normally I just go for sea salt. Sugar snap peas, a mango, apple mango little fruit sauces for Oliver. Another little treat, chocolate covered pistachios, some chocolate croissants, nectarines, shallots, cheese. This is New Zealand sharp cheddar. I don't know if I mentioned, but not only do we have girls' night on Friday, but I also have friends coming into town this weekend. So really just wanted to stack up on some snacks and just other foods that we could have around. Oh my goodness, I almost lost my balance there. Last bag, we've got chips in a pickle. These are dill pickle flavored potato chips. Got another bottle of wine. This is a white Sauvignon Blanc. Ciabatta rolls, everything bagels. Last thing, everything but the bagel seasoning. If you get one thing from Trader Joe's, make it this. This with like eggs or avocado toast. It's so good. That's everything that I picked up while I was out. Now let's put it away and then need to switch the laundry over. How pretty are these? Can't wait for them all to be opened up and looking like this. Okay, making some dinner. We're keeping things really easy tonight, just doing chicken, rice, and then I think we're gonna do peas. Oh, hi, what's up? You wanna eat the kiwi? I know you like kiwi. I'm pretty sure you're hungry. On days where I'm trying to keep things pretty easy and just simple with dinner, I like to follow the formula of having, what is it, a protein, a starch, and some kind of vegetable. So that's what we're doing. Should just take 30 minutes or so. Nice and easy. So I'm just mixing up the seasoning here, trying out a new recipe tonight. Calls for olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, and garlic powder. It smells good. I'm just going to kind of like paint it on the chicken breast. Hopefully it tastes good. So we are in much better shape than when we started the day. Got some laundry done, although I still need to fold. Probably gonna do that during a show tonight. Got groceries, food for Oliver. And I was able to catch up on some of my work stuff too, which is good. Realistically, there's still a couple of things that I would like to get to, like our floors need to be mopped, some editing I need to do. I think that's just gonna have to wait until tomorrow. We're about to enjoy dinner, and then I just want to have a restful evening with Christopher, with Oliver. Since we were gone for 2 weeks, I've really been trying to focus on just having intentional family time coming back. And it's really nice outside, so I'm probably going to spend some time outdoors. I really am very happy with the progress that we made made. So thank you for coming along with me as we got productive, got stuff done. Don't forget to check out Blueland if you haven't already and take advantage of that 15% off. But until next time, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.